I'm Mark, and this is Everyone Can Grill. Today on the Weber Performer, we're going to do burgers indirect. So stick around, because these are going to be good. All right, let's get these burgers started. Today we're using 80-20. I'm going to put that in a bowl, just like that. And in that, I want to add about a quarter, maybe even a half a cup of breadcrumbs. Kind of like a meatloaf. And then, my favorite, granulated onion. And gotta have it. Granulated garlic. About a tablespoon of both. And now we're just going to mix these together. I'm not using an egg in here, so it's really not a meatloaf. So we got to work it in a little bit just to get everything incorporated. Get all those breadcrumbs in there. And then we're going to make our patties. So let's not overwork these, though. You overwork a meatloaf. If you overwork a burger, it just gets tough. So this is what we're looking for right here. Just a big old ball of burger patty. We're going to break it up into 4 equal parts. I knew those were a little big, especially this one here. All right, and then form them into your patties, just like this. Pound it down, work it around a little bit. And these are going to be a little thicker, but still give that good thumbprint in there. All right, y'all guys all know about the thumbprint. You'll stick your thumb in there, and when that's cooking, that part will puff up, and it doesn't end up looking like this when you take it off the grill. Makes a nice patty size. There we go, look at that. Easy as pie. I'm fussing with them a little bit. My grill isn't even close to being ready yet. Let's do the third. Okay, there's 4 patties ready to hit the grill. So once my grill gets up to temperature, which is pretty close to right now, I'll bring it back. We're going to throw these in direct, get some smoke on them, and just enjoy a beer or two. So stick around, because it only gets better from here. All right, everybody, the charcoals are ready to roll. So let's get these on, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to set up for indirect. So all we're doing right now, I got the baskets. I love my baskets. We're going to spread these out. I made a full can, a full darn chimney worth of charcoal. Get this out the way. And look at here, I got a runaway. Couple of them. Set those baskets up. I love these Weber gloves. You just saw me pick up that hot coal. Nothing. But anyhow, you've all seen it, but I'm going to do it again. Put that down and drop it. This makes, my indirect zone, and then I have both sides open, which makes it so easy to put more charcoal if you need it, or my wood chips while I'm getting it to when I'm smoking them. So everything like that. Now, got a little bit. What I want to do is we're going to let this come up to right about 350 to 400 degrees. And it takes this long to do it. It is 93 degrees outside. So I'm not even going to leave this beer in the bottle. I'm putting it right in the Yeti. And about the time it takes for me to do this and give it a taste test, I am already, and you're not going to believe this, so I'm going to turn this around and see if you can see it, but I am already at 400 degrees. So it does not take long once the thing's going. So we're going to take it and give it a quick brush, get everything off of there from the last time, just like that. Replace these once a year. If not, you're going to end up with some of that in your food, and that is a bad deal right there, man. All right, let me set this down. We'll get these burgers on right now. Look at this, this is good stuff. And I don't have anything else going on tonight, so these things get the full attention of the grill. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 burgers down. And just because I like it, I'm going to throw on just a pinch of the Weber's KC rub. It's not going to be a huge flavor difference, but I just love the way this stuff tastes. That Weber KC barbecue rub. That's all it is. Now, usually I do peach, and I think I might even said peach. But today, we're going to use some alder wood. I'm in the mood for something a little bit stronger than peach. But, wow, that's hotter than the hubs of hell. But not super strong. Now see how that worked? That's going to fire up, but it's going to be out in 2 seconds. I'm going to set my grate, or my thing to about that far off the line from completely closed. And that'll bring this down, especially with the smoke on there and the cold meat, we'll bring this down to just about 350, probably right on it. Good Lord, that smoke's hitting now. All right, so come back in a few minutes, and we'll pull them off and make a burger. All right, I'm bringing you back for a couple seconds because I want to throw just a little bit more wood on, or smoke on this. We've been going for exactly 20 minutes right now, and I know you want to see it. So let me get a handful. I've been burning right at 350. I mean, dead on 350. Haven't had to touch anything. So once you get it set, it'll roll out. Let me pull this off. Look at those things. See how they're starting to puff up, but they're not turning into meatballs. Let me get this back on. Going to roll back up to 350. We're going to let it go for another probably 20 minutes. Wife likes them well done. I like them well done. You cook yours the way you like yours done. Don't go by what everybody else says. Go by what you like, because you're the cook and you're the one eating it. So I'll bring you back. I'm about 1 beer in. I think I got about 1 more beer to go before we pull these things off. So stick around. It only gets better. All right, we're back. I just took the temperature of these burgers, and they are ready to be taken off. But what I want to do, check them out, man, is I'm going to kind of push them all to the back section here. Oops, a little bit of wood's never got in there. But I'm going to push these to the back. Set that down. And I'm going to put a piece of provolone. Just regular Giant Eagles, that's our local store, provolone. Right on top. Ooh, nice and thick there. Look at that. And these won't take long to melt at all. Like I said, I haven't had to touch this grill since we started, and we're rolling right dead on 350. Now I got some onion buns, and we're going to toast them. So let's get these on here. Oop, that's a little close to the coals. I don't want to burn it. Get these on. Get the lid on just for maybe a 20 count. So I'm not even going to shut the camera off. I'm going to pause here for a second, and I'll bring you back. So 20 seconds, maybe 30. We're going to make burgers. Okay, then maybe 15, 20 seconds to get those lightly toasted. I don't like real crunchy buns. If you like crunchy buns, leave them on a little longer. Let's get these off. Look at that cheese melted. Beautiful. I'll pull the burgers off. Put them right on the pan. Just like that. Man, I'm telling you, it doesn't get any easier than this. Let's pull these buns. Yeah, see, that's just right. That butter's melted in nice. That's all I'm looking for, just a little bit. Like I said, lightly toasted is what I like. All right, let's get them off. Get the lid back on here. I'm going to close things down. Like that. Just like that. Just like that. All right, I'm going to move everything over to my table. We'll assemble the burgers. Give it a try. Stick around. We are almost done. All right. I can't wait any longer. Let's make a burger. We're going to take this one right here. Wow. That is hot. Okay, just a burger. This is going to be a simple one. Just a burger and a little more than that, of lettuce to give it that lettuce crunch. The top of the onion bun. I should be like my brother TJ and just both hands down on that thing and make it that thick. But I'm not going to do that. Let's check this out. Look at that. Man, oh man. Provolone's perfectly melted. Now I'm going to take a bite, and then I want to show you the smoke ring that you get. Oh my gosh, that's so good. But check it out. Man, it's so good. Just that little smoke ring around there from that alder wood gives it that much flavor. Anyhow, get yourself out, man, that garlic and onion, jeepers creepers. Anyhow, get yourself out on your grill and fire them up. See what you can do. Because everyone can grill. Have a great weekend. Man, it doesn't get any better than that.